complement of A, we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And for the union of A and B, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And for the difference of set C, we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16, 17, 18.